fellas. How you doing? I know. They were just fine. We're gonna climb over there. Walk in, undo that gate, and undo this gate, and close that one, let them in, and bam. Let's go. All right, good morning, guys. I hope you can hear me over these guys here behind me, but so today is the day these fellas go away. They go to their processing date. Today's the day. So it's been real enjoyable having these guys on the farm with us. We've had them 10 months or so. We got them in January. They were 3 months old. Hush, hey. They don't listen very well either. But anyway, so we've had them 10 months or so here on our farm with us, and today's the day. They've been the first pigs we've ever raised, so it's been enjoyable. I mean, they've not been that big a problem, and we're gonna miss them just like we do every other animal that comes here that has a purpose, and they have a purpose, and that's why they're here. And so when we take them off, they're not all ours. One of them is coming back with us, and the other ones are promised out to friends and family. So we'll only get one to come back with us and the other one to go away. So we're going to try to get them loaded up here. We've estimated their weight at 260, 270-ish, something like that. So I hope we're pretty close. I feel like we are, but you guys take a look at them there. You can tell us. But I think we're pretty close to, we targeted 300 pounds, and we might be there, I don't know. But we're they've been eating corn the last 30 days or so they're nice and clean and fat and healthy and had a good life here. So we're gonna try to get these guys loaded up in a trailer and get them over in the round pen and get them through the chute. And I think they'll walk right in behind you. When they see the bucket full of corn, that's all they care about. So you could lead them around like a dog if you wanted to with a bucket of corn. They'll follow you anywhere. So we're hoping that they're going to follow us right up in the trailer. So we'll see. Here we go.
Hey, buddies. Hey. Come on, buddy.
Now this is where you need to cut gate the trailer.
Yeah.
That gate, your other two's coming out.
Come on, buddy.
Yep.
Alright, we have loaded them up and only about an hour, and the pigs, 2 of them got out in the yard and in the woods. And one decided he was not going in no matter what. So, but anyways, we have got them loaded up. They're eating a little bit of corn, and we're getting ready to roll. Let's go.
We're going home with them.
I'm driving.
Well, we got the pigs loaded up finally. What a chore. Got some lessons learned, some things we're gonna do, things we need, things we got to do to the load chute to get it more operable, user friendly. Learned quite a bit this morning. Who'd have thought they'd have been that much trouble? So we weighed the trailer yesterday, and we went back across the scales this morning, and we subtracted the weights and done the math on it, and they weighed 295 pounds apiece when it's all said and done, live hoof weight. So 295, so basically 300 pounds. So they wouldn't let me measure them in the pen, so that was pretty much a no-go. So we were figuring maybe 275-ish. We were targeted 300 a while back, and we maintained and hit that goal, so that was awesome. So we are en route as we speak, and we'll get there and get them unloaded and get our final hanging weight.
Hey, hey, there's 4 of them in there. Look how cute. How cute. These are Yorkshire and Hampshire cross, they said. So we got 2 black and white ones and 2 white ones.